Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video. The topic is digestive system. So here we'll discuss about what is digestive system, definition of digestion and different parts of digestive system with the help of diagram. So here we go. What is digestive system? The system in the human body which is concerned with the ejection and digestion of food, absorption and assimilation of digested food, and ejection of undigested part of food is called digestive system or alimentary system. It means taking in food, to digestion of food, to the absorption of nutrition in our body, to the end of excretion of undigested part of food. The full process is called digestive system or alimentary system. Here we come to the definition of digestion. The food which we eat undergoes much processing before the nutrition present in them are utilized to generate energy. This processing is known. Here we can see the diagram of human digestive system. With the help of this diagram, we can easily understand the parts of human digestive system and how does the food get digested to. First of all, the first part of it is mouth. It is the first part of digestive system. It means the food which we take in our body. First of all, the intake of food in our mouth, and then it passes to the esophagus. After that, esophagus, a muscular tube-like structure which passes the food to the stomach, which is sac-like structure. After that, long coil-like structure, small intestine, digest the food, absorb the nutrition and passes it to large intestine. After that, the excretory part of it goes to rectum, and finally it comes out with the help of anus. So it was a bit easier to understand, but then also we'll go for a brief of this all. So here we go. Digestive system is made up of two parts. Number 1, alimentary canal. Number 2, accessory organs. So here we come to alimentary canals. So mouth. Number 1 is mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts here as soon as you take the food, bite of a meal, while saliva mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form your body can absorb and use it. So hope it's getting easier for you all to understand. After that it comes throat. It is also called pharynx. The throat is the next destination for food you have eaten. From here, food travels to esophagus or swallowing tube. Esophagus. As I have told you, esophagus is a muscular tube extended from the pharynx to the stomach. By means of a series of contractions called peristalsis, the esophagus delivers food to stomach. After that comes stomach. The stomach is a sac-like organ with strong muscular wall. Here you can see this. This is the stomach. With the help of this diagram, it's very easier to understand. Now here we come to small intestine. Small intestine made up of 3 segments: the duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The small intestine is a long tube loosely coiled in the abdomen. The duodenum is largely responsible for continuing the process of breaking down food, with the jejunum and ileum being mainly responsible for the absorption of nutrition into bloodstream. As I have told you in that diagram, the small intestine absorbs the nutrition. That means our human body absorbs the nutrition from the food that we take in. So after that, with the help of diagram, we'll see which one is small intestine. This part of it is known as small intestine. Everyone follow the diagram. It will be more easier for you all to understand it. After that it comes large intestine. It is the part of alimentary canal from lower end of ileum up to anus. So with the help of diagram we'll see which one is the large intestine. This portion is the large intestine. This portion of it. The colon is a muscular tube which is made up of caesaums, the ascending right colon, the transverse across column, the descending left colon and the sigmoid colon. Here we come to rectum. The rectum is the downward continuation of sigmoid colon to the anus. It is the rectum's job to receive the stool from the colon. So which portion is the rectum will know. This portion is the rectum. Now we come to the final portion of it, the anus. The anus is the last part of digestive tract. It eliminates stool through anus, means the last end process of it is anus. So hope you all have understand the digestive system a bit, cause digestive system are of 2 parts. First is alimentary canal is completed over here. An accessory organ will be explained in the next video.